The University of Akron University Libraries.
Video tour of the Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering Library Guide. Before you watch this video, you should have completed Library 101 in Brightspace. Library 101 gives you a library tour, but the Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering Library Guide is a lot different. This will be the guide that you find most helpful. The homepage of this guide contains frequently asked questions such as where to find articles, books, and patents. My number one question is always, can I access articles, ebooks, databases off campus? So I'm going to select want to access electronic resources off campus. The good news is yes. You just need to use our catalog or our website to go through our proxy server. Also on this page, there are related course guides, such as your course guide for your course, which is Tools for Chemical Engineers. So let's talk about the other sections of this guide. The first one is Find Chemical Literature, and it talks about databases if you're searching by topic, author, or keyword. Web of Science and SciFinderN are good places to find documents on chemical topics. If you need background information, an encyclopedia might be a good place to go. We do have Allmans and Kirchhoffer. They're in the reference section of the Bierce Library. Perry's Chemical Engineering Handbook is also another good one, and it's available electronically. If you're interested in searching by a chemical structure, then SciFinderN is a database that you'd want to use for that. There's also a section on properties and spectra. You're going to see a lot of familiar resources here like SciFinderN and CRC Handbook of Chemistry and Physics Online. You can use both of those to find physical properties. Also, there's a resource called Thermolit, and that's a good place to look for thermodynamic properties. There are several resources to find spectral data, such as a spectral database for organic compounds. Another section of this guide is citation and plagiarism. Purdue OWL is a very good place to look for their material on avoiding plagiarism. Also, we have some resources on American Chemical Society ACS style. So the ACS Guide to Scholarly Communication is a good resource, and a lot of times you notice using this style, or even a lot of the science-based styles, that they have abbreviated journal titles, and it's not always obvious what they are. So there's this resource called CASI that's very good for you to use to find out what these abbreviations mean. There's also a section on safety, and it's very similar to the section on safety that you have in your course guide. Your material safety data sheets, MSDS, there's several sources that you can get those listed on this guide. And also there's important information about chemical safety and resources you can go to. The last section of this guide is bulk chemical prices, and that can be very challenging to find. So there's a couple resources here that you could use to find out what the bulk chemical prices are.